Solve the equation 3x squared minus 10x is equal to 8. So before we can solve a quadratic equation, we need to equate it equal to 0 first. So equate to 0. So that means just taking 8 from both sides. So we get 3x squared minus 10x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we can factorize this. We do 3 times minus 8. We call that the product. And then the sum will be the term in the middle, which is, that's minus 24. The sum will be minus 10. And then we want two numbers, which when we multiply them together, we get minus 24 and a sum of minus 10. That gives me minus 12 and 2. Let's just check that. Minus 12 times 2 is minus 24. And minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10. And then what we do is we take the quadratic equation, we write 3x squared. Now we split minus 10x up into minus 12x plus 2x. Now, it doesn't matter which way around you write those, as long as you got the sign correct in front. However, it is slightly easier if you put the smaller one first. We've still got the minus 8, and it's still equal to 0. Then we group the first two terms together and take out a common factor, which is 3x, and we get left with x minus 4. Just check that. 3x times x gives me 3x squared. 3x times minus 4 gives me minus 12x. Bring down the plus sign, or whatever the sign is there. We group these two together, and then take out a common factor of 2, and we're going to get x minus 4 again. Now notice here and here we have the same thing, and that will always happen if you do this procedure correctly. So we've got x minus 4, x minus 4. It comes out as a common factor, x minus 4, and we're left with 3x plus 2. So we now factorize it. So either x minus 4 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 4, or 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, which gives 3x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 over 3. Then finally, writing out the solutions, we've got x is equal to minus 2 over 3, or x is equal to 4. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a quadratic equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.